Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Naturallyads here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning November 21st to the 27th, 2022 in my memory planner using this full cabin kit from PinkDiamondPlannerCo. I paired it with some copper foil, also from PinkDiamondPlannerCo. I think I added some other foil from other shops. I have some underlays from the Planner Pixie Co, and I think I have some overlays from Lena Designs that I thought matched. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'll let you guys watch me lay down the rest of the base and I'll be back for the day by day. Enjoy! So as always, let's start with the sidebar. So in the sidebar, I marked that I spent so much money this week, and it was Black Friday week, so that's why. And I also marked that it was week 40 of my maternity leave with a Bella Plan Ella sticker and a script from PMD stickers. So starting with Monday, I marked that my husband was working from home with this house icon from SPC and a J working from home custom script from It Plans. And then marked a plan for me binge with a planner icon from the doodle sheet from PinkDiamondPlannerCo. Then marked taking a nap with this face mask, sleep mask and a nap script, both from SBC. Then marked cooking dinner with this Whimsy Girl and a cooked dinner script from Make Plans. I marked that Malik was watching football with his dad with this football icon from the foil bundle and a with Papa custom script from Tilly Channels. I then marked doing some voiceovers with this vanilla sticker from Paper Show and a voiceover script from Carly Plans. I marked watching some more Castle with this Disney Plus sticker from the doodle sheet. I marked watching some Bones with the TV icon from SBC. And I marked watching shows with my husband with this Make Plans script and icon. On to Tuesday, I marked waking up early with alarm clock icon from SBC. Then marked being super tired with this pillow icon from the doodle sheet and a tired AF script from Cardi Plans. Next I marked having a plan with me binge with a planner icon from SBC. Then marked having some tea with the Starbucks cup from the doodle sheet. I marked ordering some stickers with the sticker sheet sticker also from the doodle sheet and an order sticker script from Sugarbox Stickers. Then marked doing some budgeting for Black Friday with this calculator icon from Paper and Milk and a budget script from Make Plans. Into the extender, I marked doing some planning with this Sweet Avis paper snowball sticker and a time to get planning script from the foil bundle. I marked that Alec was with his dad with this paper shire sticker and a with Papa script from Tilly Channels. I marked having some cuddle time with the stick on the plank sticker and a cuddle script from SBC. On to Wednesday. Wednesday is a long one. At the top of Wednesday, I marked being tired AF with a bed icon from SBC and a tired AF script from Carly Plans. I marked that Malik woke up super duper early with this baby sticker from PMD Stickers, and then I marked having sent my morning cup of tea with this icon from SBC. I marked a plan with pinch with the sticker sheet from the SBC foil bundle. I marked watching some more Bones with this Hulu TV from the doodle sheet, and then I marked Caddy Malik again with the stick with a plain curve sticker and a script from Tilly Journals. I marked more sticker shopping with this shopping bag icon from the foil bundle and oops, I bought more stickers script from Carly Plans. I marked having some family cuddles with the sticker from Make Plans and the script also from Make Plans. Then I marked ordering takeout with this take out bag from the doodle sheet, and I ordered takeout script from Make Plans. Then I'm doing some more shopping. I think I bought my print impression bag this day, I'm pretty sure, with this bag sticker from the doodle sheet and a shopping script from SPC. Then I'm doing some more sticker shopping, oh my goodness, with this planner icon from Papershire and a sticker shopping script from Adobe Gaming Designs. Moving on to Thursday, I marked that it was my cousin's birthday with this balloon icon from SPC and a happy birthday script also from SPC. Next, I used an alarm clock from SPC to mark waking up early. I then used this bath bomb icon from the doodle sheet to mark getting ready. Next, I marked having my morning tea with this takeaway cup icon from the foil bundle. I marked driving to work with this car icon from Cardi Plans and a work script from SPC. Then used this heart icon to mark socializing with my colleagues with this heart icon from SPC, which I already said. I then used the star icon also from SPC and a meeting script from Happy Sticker Designs to note having a meeting with my boss to discuss returning back to work. And the meeting script is from Happy Sticker Design. I said that already, keep repeating myself. I do PR for Happy Sticker Design, so use my code ADIATIC15 to get 15% off of your order. I then marked cuddling with Malik with this Stick with a PlanWithAds gal and a Snuggle Time script from Tilly Channels. I then had a plan with binge. I used this Make Plans pig holding a planner to mark that. I then marked having some family cuddles with this sticker from Make Plans and a script also from Make Plans. I marked emailing my request to move on to part-time formally to my boss with this letter icon from the doodle sheet and an email script from Planner Face. I then marked a YouTube binge with this YouTube play button or YouTube TV sticker from the doodle sheet and a YouTube binge script from Make Plans. On to Friday, I marked that it was Black Friday with this Munchkin, and then I marked waking up at 6 a.m. with this alarm clock icon from the foil bundle, because you know time difference and everything. I then used this money doodle from the doodle sheet and an order sticker script from Sugarbox Stickers to buy some more stickers. And then marked doing some more budgeting with this wallet sticker from Paper Candy Art and a budget script from the foil bundle. I then used this pillow icon from SBC to going back to sleep after doing all of that. I then marked drinking some tea as I woke up with this teacup icon from Paper Candy Art. Marked that Maddie was super fussy with this crying or tantrum baby from Once Made Love and a Maddie fussy script from Tilly Journals. Then marked cuddling him with this Stick with a PlanWithAds sticker and a snuggle script from Happy Sticker Designs. Next I marked apply with my binge with the same Make Plans pig. Marked getting some takeout with this chips icon from SBC and a takeout script from Cardi Plans. And then I marked getting some Happy Meal with this this bag sticker from the fort from SBC and a Happy Meal script from Make Plans. I then marked watching some Lucifer with this TV icon from the kit from the foil bundle, and then I used this book from the doodle sheet to mark doing some plan with me prep, and then finally I marked watching shows to my husband with this Make Plans sticker and script. On to Saturday, so at the top of Saturday in the extender, this is such a long week. I marked being tied AF with this sleep mask icon from SBC and a tied AF script from Carly Plant. I marked snuggling my son with this Stick with a PlanWithAds sticker and a snuggle script from Happy Sticker Designs. And then marked apply with me binge with this Make Plans pig. I marked getting some takeout with this sandwich icon from the foil bundle and a takeout script from Carly Plants. Next I marked buying some more stickers with this dollar icon from the foil bundle and oops, I bought my sticker script from Carly Plants. Marked Manor being with his dad with this Papershire sticker and a with Papa script from Tilly Journals. Next I marked doing my husband's hair with this sticker from PinkDiamondPlannerCo and a with my love script from SPC. And then I marked doing some cleaning with this cleaning bucket sticker from Planner Face and a cleaning script also from SPC again. And then marked washing my hair with this PinkDiamondPlannerCo sticker and a wash hair script from SPC. Then marked doing a grocery run or ordering groceries probably. Oh no, getting groceries, I don't know, one of them. With this a grocery bag sticker from Paper Candy Art and a grocery run script from SBC. I marked a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from SBC and a YouTube binge script from Make Plans. And then I marked watching some TV. I don't know what show I was watching with a TV icon from SBC and a TV time script also from SBC. And then finally I might put in stickers with a sticker sheet sticker from the PlanWithAds and a pull sticker script from Carly Plans. On to Sunday, I'm out sleeping in with a pillow icon from the PlanWithAds and a sleep in script from the foil bundle. I'm out having my morning tea with this whimsy teacup. I'm out cuddling Manic again with this PlanWithAds sticker and a snuggle script from Plan Face. I'm out family cuddles with this 2 stickers from Make Plans, and then I'm out there my husband doing some hoovering with this Hoover sticker from, I don't know, it's from a freebie I think, and a vacuum script from Roundy.Plans. And then marked Malik being with his dad with this sticker from Papershire and a script from Tilly Journals. I'm out doing my hair with this sticker from the doodle sheet, and then I'm out watching more Lucifer with a TV icon from SBC. I'm out doing some laundry with a laundry basket from the doodle sheet and a laundry script from the foil bundle. Then I'm out doing some more cleaning with this scale from the Honeybee shop and a clean script from the foil bundle. I'm out filming a plan with me with this camera from Beniva's Creation and a film plan with me custom script from Adoy Bleamy Designs. And then I'm out getting some takeout with this takeout box from the foil bundle and a takeout script from Carly Plans. Then I'm watching more shows with my husband with the sticker and script from Make Plans, and then finally I'm out to plan with a binge with a planner with pig holder and a planner also from Make Plans. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of the spread, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.